How goes it? YouTube. Today is Sunday, so happy Sunday. I'm Naya.
I as well.
And today we're going to show you guys 3 easy ways to make edible slime. So let's get right to it. Okay, the first way is with marshmallows. So you're going to need marshmallows, cornstarch, and a little bit of oil, and bowls, and
a dip?
No. Food coloring. You need food coloring. So, first you want to get a few marshmallows.
I will show the it.
Put them in there.
It's big marshmallow. So
put them in the bowl.
This one?
Mm-hmm.
It's big marshmallow.
I'll put about 4 marshmallows. And what you want to do is you want to put it in the microwave for 30 seconds with a little bit of olive oil or cooking oil or whatever kind of oil you want to use. So we're going to put a few marshmallows. I'm going to go put it in the microwave real quick. And when you're doing this, be very careful. So what we're going to do is add a little bit of food coloring to give it a color. I have 3 drops because I don't know how much that's going to be either. Oops. Oops. Okay. So you want to add a tablespoon of, to the 4 big marshmallows I put in, I'm going to put a tablespoon of cornstarch. And Israel, here, mix it. Mix it. Don't touch the bowl though. Go ahead, mix. Mix. Mix, mix, mix. Mix. I got it. Mix it. Top.
It's changing colors. It's like ice cream.
Let me see. You might have to add more cornstarch. I'll probably add more. I put 3 tablespoons of cornstarch in here. It's alright. And so, this is your first slime. Okay, Israel, you can stick your hands in it. Wait. Make sure it's not hot. Okay, wait. Let me see. Give me your hand. Stop. Put your hand in here first. Put his hand in the cornstarch first so it won't stick. Give me the other hand. Another hand in there. Now touch it. Pick it up. Mold, bend it, mold it, pull it apart. Show the camera. Pull. Mix it some more. Put your hands together. It's hot, but don't put your hands all the way in it.
It's like slime.
Well, stretch it. It is slime. Stretch it out. Like that. Stop being so baby with it. Play with it. And this is the first form of slime. Now eat it. Eat it. Eat it.
Oh, you try it.
Eat it. Israel, bite it. Stop playing. Just bite it. It's marshmallows. Bite it. Bite it. It's just marshmallows.
I don't like marshmallows no more.
Yes, you do. It's marshmallows. It's just, it's really sticky. And this is a good way. So,
a little bit sour.
way number 1, it was
a little bit sour.
It's not sour.
A little bit. It's still some more. 10,000 likes of slime.
But yeah. So it's plenty of slime, and it's a good way. So way number 1. Do you like way number 1?
Nope. A little bit.
Don't lick it. If you're gonna eat it, eat it.
Ah! Try to make this.
That's way number 1. Now, go wash your hands.
We're gonna make a second.
Gummy bears. And powdered sugar. And cornstarch. So I put cornstarch. I put about 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar, and we're gonna put a bunch of gummy bears inside of a microwavable bowl, and then we're gonna microwave it for 30 seconds. Hey guys, okay, I'm back, and so I microwaved it for 35 seconds, and it's really already slimy. So I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons to start off, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, and 1 tablespoon of powdered sugar. And here, so mix it. Mix it.
It looks like jelly.
You might need to help them because it's, unless you got someone that's really good at mixing, I'm making a mess. But I think it's still pretty warm. I still feel it through the thing, so it might still be too hot for him to touch or your children to touch. And just know that the more cornstarch you add, the less sticky it'll be. So I'm gonna add more because it's still slightly sticky.
Some more of this?
No, just the cornstarch. I'm gonna be covered in cornstarch.
Be careful.
Okay. I still think it's hot though because it's still kind of steaming. If you can see it, I don't know if you can see it, but it's still steaming. Okay. Put your hand in there. Other hand in there. Okay. Hot.
Is like this is pink.
It's not yet. You gotta play with it. Grab a handful. Keep your hands in there. Lick it. Put it in your mouth. Put it in your mouth. Put it in your mouth.
It's hot. It's hot.
Put it in your mouth. Show them your hands.
It's like gummy bears.
This one's more like slime than the marshmallows were. Don't get that on your clothes. Yeah, this is more like slime than the marshmallows were. And I should have stuck my hand in the cornstarch before I stuck them in the bowl. You're mostly playing with it. You're just still eating it. So, it's really extremely sticky. Extremely sticky. So it is slime, but it's not like the one that you can just pull off because it's stuck to my hands now. And it's stuck to his hands too. Dude, you got stuff all over your mouth. But yeah, so way 2. I would just advise you to put cornstarch on your hands prior to you doing it and really, really putting your hands all in the cornstarch so that it won't be so sticky to your hands because it is like slime, but it's really sticky. Really, really sticky. What do you think about it?
If I'm afraid of parents, I eat.
Israel, stop licking it. Just eat it.
That their habit faults. And boys and girls, try this. Be slime.
So, way 2, great to do. So, we're going to work on to way 3. So, oh.
Even if I'm wearing paper with the tar.
Evaporated milk, cornstarch, and Jell-O. Now, what you're going to have to do is mix them all together, put it in a saucepan, and cook it on the stove. Now, I would advise a parent to do it with you, or you could do it if you're older, if you're over a certain age and your parents allow you to cook. So, we're going to do that, and we'll be right back.
This will look like inside.
Sit down. Stir it.
You guys get watch me stir it. It's kind of hard to stir it fast. It's kind of hard to stir it fast. Your turn.
Okay. So, with this particular one, I had to use, when I put it in the skillet, I used the whole can of condensed milk. Then I put 3 tablespoons of the cornstarch, and then I put a half a pack of the Jello. So, this is what it looks like.
I will show them.
Now, Ezra, go ahead, put your hands in it.
But it's hot.
Let me see. No, it's not. Go ahead.
It's hot for children.
Now put your hands together and pull it. Now pull it apart. Nope. It's not that hot. You're over here complaining.
No,
Look.
it's really hot.
It's not that hot. It's not as slimy. I guess I could have used less. And Israel, how's it taste?
It tastes a little bit good like the other slime.
It tastes a little bit good like the other slime. It is kind of warm. So you
It's
might want to let it
cooling
cool.
down.
But it's not as sticky. It's not as sticky, but don't touch your hands.
I will be
But
back.
I guess if we were to put less cornstarch than I did, then it wouldn't be so bad. What does it taste like?
But the other one, I will tell you.
Like what other one? Like which one?
The gummy bears one.
This edible slime is for people that like Jello. It tastes just like Jello.
Okay. There
But
you
yeah.
have it, folks.
As he said, there you have it. Those are all 3 top. Excuse me, English. Goodness. Those are all 3 kinds. What is wrong? I can't speak all of a sudden. Those are all 3 of the edible slime recipes that you can try. They're easy at home. The last one, I would kind of, put less because it's still it's super sticky, but it's not slimy. It's more chunky than slimy. Anyhow, get back to what I was saying. Israel, what's your favorite one? Was it the number 1, which was the marshmallows, number 2, the gummy bears, or number 3, the Jello?
Number 2.
Well, he likes gummy bears, so number 2, he liked it the most. So, well, there you have it. 2 for him. I like 2 too because I like gummy bears. Marshmallows are okay, but I prefer gummy bears and Jello. Not so much. But yeah, so that was our video today. Thanks for watching. If you guys haven't subscribed, you can subscribe. You can subscribe down below. You can hit the like button. Anything you want to say? Tell them whatever you want to say.
See you later, hot potatoes.
Okay. Goodbye, guys. See you in the next video.